And now it's time for set number 3.
Here we go.
Service. That will pick up this win. Blocked out of bounds, points, big birds. Points, that will pick up the swing. Out of bounds, points, big birds. Out of bounds, points, big birds. All the kill by Adamley, out of bounds. Points, big birds. It's a field goal. Points. Fellowship of this one. Big birds. Out of bounds, points, big birds. Points, fellowship of this one.
I want you to have a traditional mask.
In the costume. Over.
Points, fellowship of this one. Service ace for Darian. Points, fellowship of this one. Service. Points, big birds.
Here we go. Watch it. Up. Watch it. Get there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be here.
Oh!
Points, fellowship of this one.
Come on. Get that on the court. There. I'll take him with me. He jumps straight up and down.
Out of bounds, points, big birds. Points, fellowship of the swing. Fellowship of the swing leads 10-8 here in set 3.
No goal.
It's good.
I'm gonna overrule. I'm gonna say it was in. Number 2. It's right there.
Jordan disagrees. Jill Verlaine, point, fellowship of the swing. Fellowship of the swing leads 12-9. Points, big birds. Points, fellowship of the swing. Fellowship of the swing leads 14-10. Set number 3.
We were on vacation. Take it home.
Fellowship of the swing was out of rotation. The score is now Fellowship of the swing 12, Big Birds 11 here in set number 2.
All right. All right.
Service points, Fellowship of the swing. Fellowship of the swing leads 13-11. Points, Fellowship of the swing. This is set point for set number 3. 14-11. Points, Big Birds remains to be set points, 14-12, Fellowship of the swing.
He's not good. He's not good.
Lost by Max for the win. Fellowship of the Swing wins set number 3, 15-12. They win the match 3 sets.